In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not appearing in full screen. If you've been facing this annoying issue where your Chrome browser just doesn't seem to want to cooperate and fill up your entire screen, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step, making sure your browsing experience is as seamless as possible. Let's dive in right at the top of Google Chrome. You'll want to focus on the blank space you'll see in the title bar, which is the area at the very top of the browser window. Once you locate that spot, go ahead and double-click. What this does is tell Chrome that you want it to snap into full screen mode, filling up your monitor entirely. This is often the simplest and quickest remedy. But if for some reason this doesn't work, don't worry. There are a couple more things to try. Now, if double-clicking didn't do the trick, here's what you can do next. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard before you double-click again on that blank space. The Shift key plays the helpful role of forcing the window to maximize, so it will be displayed in full screen. If this still doesn't give you the results you're hoping for, it's time to explore an alternative approach. Let's move on to trying a method through the taskbar. Navigate your cursor down to your taskbar at the bottom of your desktop. Look for the Chrome icon, and when you've found it, give it a right-click. What you'll be presented with is a list of options. From here, select Move. Now, using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can nudge the browser window into a different position. While this doesn't directly make the window full screen, it can help in adjusting any unusual window placement that prevents maximizing. With that adjustment done, for our final step, we want to maximize the browser window. You'll find the Maximize button. It's the middle button located in the upper right corner of Chrome. Go on and click that button. This should now force Google Chrome to expand and cover your entire screen. And there you have it. I hope one of these methods worked to resolve any issues you were experiencing with Google Chrome not appearing full screen. Sometimes technology can be a bit finicky, but with the right tricks, you're always in control. Thanks for joining me today. And if you found these instructions helpful, be sure to leave a comment or a like. Happy browsing!